I've recently built up my Specialized Enduro. The setup isn't perfect yet, cause I've just ridden it for a handful of times. The frame is Specialized's S5 size. I'm 6'2", so S5 seems to be the right size. It is long, but it feels maneuverable enough to me. As always, a full Invisiframe kit to protect the beauty. Still testing, but at the moment I prefer the low flip chip position. For rear damping I got a RockShox Super Deluxe Coil Ultimate in the new 2023 variant. I'm using a 550 pound spring. The hydraulic bottom out is currently set to the middle position. Rebound is rather slow, compression on the firmer side. The fork is set up very similar. It's a RockShox Zep Ultimate with 170mm of travel. Current setup: 65 psi, 2 tokens, open high speed compression, medium low speed compression and rebound. For wet weather riding I'm using the bolt-on Mudhugger Evo. The headset is just the FSA one that came with the frame. For steering I got a rental fat bar with 40mm rise and currently 800mm width, bolted to a 40mm race face turbine R stem. On top a lovely stem cap. So elegant looking. Grips are ODI Elite Flow. The wolf tooth seat clamp is one of the very few that fits the Enduro. It holds a 210 1-up dropper post, which uses the matching 1-up lever. Sitting on a 143 Specialized Power Pro saddle with titanium rails and a carbon fiber shell. Brakes are TRP DHR Evos combined with Trickstuff Dechle rotors. 203 up front and 180 out back. And GX Eagle Axis derailleur and trigger do the trick for shifting. A copper XX1 chain and cassette make for a stunning look and some weight savings. For cranks I've got a 170mm GX Eagle aluminum one with a 32 tooth chainring paired with an 1-up components chain guide. I'm using DMR Volt pedals in the Brandog edition. Best grip out there. Rolling on 25mm DT Swiss EX471 rims, laced to Industry 9 Hydra hubs, which deliver the unique sound of 690 points of engagement. Rubber consists of Schwalbe Magic Marys in soft rubber compound. Super Trail front, Super Gravity rear. No inserts, PT's valves and sealant. Of course the frame has a SWAT box. In there I only have the large SWAT pouch covering all my tools for trailside repairs. I put a Specialized Z cage combined with Specialized multi-tool on top. Like, subscribe, whatever, but most importantly, check the Enduro's Dreambuild on my channel. Cheers!